Welcome. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to translate sentences into mathematical equations. So, if this list looks familiar, it's because we actually did it before when we were doing a previous topic, which was writing mathematical expressions. And if you didn't get a chance to watch that video, make sure that you go back and take a look. If you also haven't had a chance to copy down this list of keywords, make sure that you pause the video right now and copy down this list of keywords. Restart the video when ready. Okay, let's take a look at how you might try number one. So, if you look at my simple steps for solving word problems, that's the strategy we're going to use to tackle number one and number two. So my first step is to write down your goal in your own words. So let's take a look at number one. The question is, the directions are to translate the sentence into an equation. So it says Carlos's height increased by 17 is 62. So what's our goal? Well, to find our goal, again, what I'm looking for are any of these keywords, and I actually don't see any of them. So what I'm looking for is a set of instructions somewhere. And actually, I see it in the first sentence. So what we're supposed to do is translate the sentence into an equation. That's my goal. So literally, we're going to take the sentences in English and turn them into math sentences. So change English sentences to math sentences. That would be my description of our goal. Okay, so let's take a look at the sentence. It says Carlos's height increased by 17 is 62. So what it says then below, it says use the variable c to represent Carlos's height. So what I'm going to do is write down our sentence. So we've got Carlos's height increased by 17 is 62. So looking at the information they gave me, they said that Carlos's height we can represent with c. If I look at the next part of the sentence, it says increased by. Well, looking at my keywords, increased by is under addition. So what that means literally is I'm adding something. And now what am I adding? Well, it tells me in the next character. It says I'm adding 17. And then the word is in math, well, is under my keywords for equals. So I've got equals, and then on the other side, well, 62 is already written in math symbols. So my equation should be c plus 17 equals 62. So if I wrote this a little cleaner, and I've now accomplished my goal because I've translated the English sentence into a math sentence, and I'm all done. Alright, I want you to try number two, and pause the video and then restart it when ready. Okay, in number two, again, it says that we're supposed to translate the sentence into an equation, so similar to what we did for number one. Now let's read the sentence. So it says Matt's score increased by 9 is 57. And it says use the variable m to represent Matt's score. So right away I see Matt's score, which we can use m for to represent. And then I see the words increased by again. So just like we saw in the last problem, that just means plus. Increased by what? Plus what? Well, it says increased by 9. And then is in math means equals. And then 57 is already in math symbols. So our equation should be m plus 9 equals 57.